Each project, each dream, has the potential to flourish when cultivated in secret. Carefully doing things in silence is not just an act of modesty but a wise strategy to protect the essence of your efforts. Like a patient gardener, plant the seeds of your project in the soil of silence, where their roots can grow strong before facing the winds of others' opinions. On the tumultuous stage of life, embracing silence is like building a protective wall around our dreams. Contrary to the mistaken notion that discretion is a sign of weakness, it is, in fact, a testimony to wisdom. The constant noise of the outside world has the potential to scatter the vital energy needed for the flourishing of our projects. Silence, however, emerges as a reliable ally, allowing our ideas to mature with vigor and resilience before being exposed to critical eyes. Imagine silence as a secure cocoon where your ideas can metamorphose before taking flight. In this quiet space, away from external tumult, your dreams gain strength, grow deep roots, and develop in their entirety. The world often isn't ready to receive the complexity of our visions, and it is in silence that we find the freedom to explore and expand without the premature weight of judgment. Discretion is not a strategic retreat but rather an intelligent advance. The incessant noise of others' opinions can be a storm that erodes the raw essence of our projects. Silence, like a protective cloak, offers the opportunity to nurture and strengthen our ideas, preparing them for posterity. In silence, each project becomes a personal journey, a silent evolution before the grand spectacle. Silence is, thus, a fertile ground where resilience grows. Before subjecting our dreams to external scrutiny, silence acts as a secret laboratory, shaping and refining our visions. It is a silent ally that gives us the strength to withstand the inevitable adversities that will arise. When we finally present our projects to the world, they emerge not only with potential but with the robustness acquired in the depths of silence. By embracing silence, you build a protective wall around your dreams. This discretion is not a sign of weakness but of wisdom. External noise can dissipate the energy necessary for the flourishing of your projects. Silence, however, is an ally that allows your ideas to develop with strength and resilience before facing critical gazes. Silence is not just an absence of sound, it is a sacred space where creative energy is nurtured. By learning to do all things in silence, you become a silent architect of your destiny. This practice not only allows your projects to advance but also adds a layer of mystery and magic to your journey, creating a sense of anticipation when you finally reveal to the world the fruit of your silent work. Therefore, in this concert of life, consider silence as the baton that regulates the rhythm of your ascent. Each step in silence is a note that resonates with pure potential, a promise that your projects have the strength needed to come to life and shine on the world stage. So, with care and determination, sow your achievements in the fertile soil of silence, confident that when the time comes, the symphony of your progress will be heard clearly by all. By embracing silence, we are weaving a protective shield around our dreams. This practice is not just a strategy but a philosophy that recognizes the importance of allowing our aspirations to mature and gain strength before being revealed. In silence, we find the necessary space for true maturity, where our dreams, protected and strengthened, are ready to illuminate the world when the right time comes.